everybody, dear students in the second year. Let's continue what we have started in the first clip or the first video. Here is the comparison between past perfect and past simple. Let me give you this brief idea. The past perfect on the left hand expresses two actions in the past. One is completed before the other. We can join these two actions by using the time clause when. But on the right hand, the past simple, just you can make a sentence with past simple as a sequence of events by using before or then or whatever. See the example. Jack had spent 2 hours on the problem when he gave up. On the right hand, Jack spent 2 hours on the problem before he gave up. So using of when here on the past perfect, it refers to the finishing or the perfection of the first action, then it moved to the second. But on the right hand past simple, only two actions. One happened first, then the other happened next. This is very simple one, and we don't want to go through this so much time. Go to the continuous. Listen to this. Past perfect continuous is a phrase which consists of subject plus had plus been plus verb with ing form. So, had been, these are two obligatory auxiliary verbs. يعني لازم تخلوهن ما بيهن مجال يتغيرن. الهاد والبن، وانا اتمنى كنت بالصف اشرح لكم ليش بن بالذات، لكن بالفيديو ما ممكن. البي هي الكي concept of continuous، be plus verb with ing. لكن بما انه سبق البي هاد، الهاد تجد وراها تصريف ثالث، اذا نحول البي الى بن، فهاي قاعدة ثابتة. بعدين الاي ان جي فورم للمين verb. ليش نستخدم past perfect continuous؟ مو simple. When we want to express the duration or the continuation of an action in the past, but that action was interrupted by another action. سموك طلاب يقولون استاذ كذا هو ماضي تام مستمر. ليش ما اقول بس ماضي مستمر؟ ايش معنى تام؟ عيني معناها انه جزء كبير من الفعل قد تم، خلص، بهالأثناء حصل شيء آخر بالماضي البسيط قطع هذا الاستمرار. Two time expressions. It means that in the past perfect continuous, you must have two time expressions in the sentence. The first one by using since or for. Do you remember them in the high school? Since or for. The second one by using when as a time marker. When followed by a sentence in the past form. Let's see the examples. See. The students had been waiting for almost 10 minutes when Professor Baker showed up. انتبهوا لهذا المثال. طلاب ينتظرون لمدة 10 دقائق. شنو اللي قطع الانتظار مال الطلاب؟ أنا قلت لكم انتظروني بمحاضرة مثلا قبل حظر التجوال. انتظرتم من الساعة 9:30 إلى 10:03. انتظاركم كان مستمر إلى أن أنا جيت أو إلى أن إجا أستاذ فلان. So the students had been waiting for almost 10 minutes when Professor Baker showed up. The first time clause is for almost 10 minutes. The second time is when Professor Baker showed up. Next example, Bill had been working for 2 hours when Jack called. So in these two sentences, the speaker wanted to emphasize the duration of the first sentence. Meanwhile, it is interrupted by another action. This is the main point of the past perfect continuous. See this comparison again between past perfect and past perfect continuous. George had lived with an American family for 6 months when Nick arrived. See, this sentence may suggest to some speakers that he changed his living arrangements after Nick arrived, but it does not specifically say so. But on the other hand, on the right hand, George had been living with an American family for 6 months when Nick arrived. This sentence may suggest to some speakers that he will continue the same living arrangements, but it does not actually say so. So, I don't want to confuse you. This wants a lot of explanation, but keep in your mind when you want to use the past perfect continuous, you want to emphasize the duration of the first sentence rather than the other, but it's interrupted by a third one. Okay? There's enough. Let's continue next video.